always got to worry about people pulling out of the 7-Eleven right here, man. It's happened to me so many times. So one change I actually made to the setup is I got the Media Mod for the GoPro 8. There are a couple things that obviously, you know, I'm gonna have an issue with. First issue with the Media Mod, number one, I couldn't use my ND filter originally. You know, my ND filter had a bracket that basically gripped onto the back of the GoPro and slid over the front of it, and then a magnet that held the actual ND filter to that mount. But when you use the Media Mod, it, you know, physically encapsulates the GoPro, so there was no way for me to put that on. So I had to perform surgery, more or less, and cut the arm off of the ND filter mount, and then I had to glue the mount to my camera, which was like, I had to get it right the first time. Mission accomplished. I did it. It works fantastic too, so that's the good thing. Nothing's fallen off yet. I feel like it's actually working a little bit better than it was originally, because less air is able to get, it's really close to the actual body of the Media Mod. It's not touching it at all, but it's just much closer. So I feel like less air is able to get behind it and push it off, because I lost 2 of these things in a week. That being said, once I did that, with the Media Mod for a microphone, you don't have to use the GoPro mic adapter anymore. Purple Panda actually didn't let me down at all. In fact, you know, me saying I'm done with Purple Panda, I was really jumping the gun. That GoPro Media Mod is the issue. That thing is hit or miss. And based on the reviews that I didn't even look at when I bought it, you know, I just knew, like, okay, this is what I need to have to be able to do this kind of thing. I would have spent the money the right way the first time.
What you just said is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard. I award you no points, and may God have mercy on your soul.
That being said, everything is where it needs to be now. The microphone is obviously working. The Media Mod, I feel like the sound quality is actually a lot better. It's able to isolate more of the audio that I want it to while I'm speaking. A lot less wind noise. So definitely a win on this side of things. But yeah, I just kind of feel bad for dragging Purple Panda through the mud when it really wasn't even an issue with the microphone. The microphone was fine. Still, I guess moral of the story is, you know, don't jump the gun. Kind of a measure twice, cut once scenario, you know. And plus, I'm really new to all this. This is something that, you know, I'm figuring out as I go. And you guys are actually helping me a lot, to be honest, too. I've learned so much from the community about the bike, how I'm doing this. So I thank you guys for the support and for the input, and just keep it coming. I'm also taking a trip to Monterey in 2 weeks, so that's going to be awesome. Gonna get a lot of content down there. Gonna do the 17-mile drive, gonna head down the one, probably pretty far. So it's beautiful down that direction. That water is just something else to look at. So I'm so excited for you guys to see all that, especially if you've never been there before or you've never seen it, you've just heard about it. It's gonna be something that you're really gonna love to see. Well, as always, guys, you know the deal. Going to work per usual, just like I'm sure most of you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. As always, you know the deal. Stay up, stay safe. We'll see you in the next one.